Okay, so let's do some Yiddish. Okay. Since Michael is not here today, I will do everything. So, okay. Okay. Okay, sure. So we will start by listening to it. And you know, when I am doing it, I cannot move the words. Okay.
Fundiget das gewisse Wind in die Wälder freie und statt Keiten auf die Hand halt da Bixa nahe auf die Aufgabe ist mein Freund kuscht mich halt so Achsel mitten Bix bin ich von Heint fest so neu gewachsen auf die Aufgabe ist mein Freund kuscht mich halt so Achsel mitten Bix bin ich von Heint fest so neu gewachsen. Wenig seinen mir in Soll, dreiste wie Millionen, reißen mir auf Berg und Toll, brecken Eschalonen, dem Faschist versittert wird, weiß nicht wovon warnen. Stürmen jeden von unter der Erde, jeden Partisaner, dem Faschist versittert wird, weiß nicht wovon warnen. Stürmen jeden von unter der Erde, jeden Partisaner. Das Wort ne komme hat das ihn, wenn mit Blut verschreibst ihm, vor dem heiligen Beginn, führen wir die Streiten, nein, wir wollen nicht keinmal sein, letzte Mohikaner. Es bringt der Nacht die Sonnenschein, der jeder Partisaner. Nein, wir wollen nicht keinmal sein, letzte Mohikaner. Es bringt der Nacht die Sonnenschein, der jeder Partisaner.
Okay, so.
Are we supposed to get the other verses besides the first?
That's what I told you, that when I am doing it, I cannot. There is some problem with my computer, that I cannot move it. If I start moving it, it stops singing.
Thank you.
Michael has some other things that he can do. I cannot do it. So, okay, so let's start reading it. Andrew, you are with us. Can you start reading it? Andrew?
Andy?
Andy, I saw you before. Well, maybe he's not with us. And okay, Isabel, please.
Okay. Shmerka Kaczerginski was born in Vilna and was orphaned at age 6. He worked for a printer in his teenage years. Keenly aware of the grinding poverty and appalling working conditions of thousands of Vilna Jews and of the rise of the fascist anti-Semitic Endek movement, he was drawn to the Communist Party, which was illegal. He wrote stories and poems for the underground press. He was often imprisoned for his activities and beaten. Want me to go on?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Kaczerginski joined the Yiddish literary and artistic group Young Vilna, and edited its journal. When the Soviets ceded Vilna to Lithuania in 1939, he left for Bialystok, worked as a teacher, and then joined the Red Army. He returned to Vilna when the Soviets again occupied the city in 1940, and he was active in Yiddish cultural activities. But he grew bitter at Soviet political repression and the imprisonment and deportation of Jewish community leaders.
Okay, thank you, Isabel. Myra?
When the Nazis occupied Vilna in 1941, Kozherginsky disguised himself and pretended to be a deaf mute. But he was caught and sent to the ghetto, where the Germans had herded the Jewish community. Vilna was the site of the Reich's first systematic extermination of the Jews. In 3 years, the Germans and their collaborators murdered over 60,000 in Vilna and in nearby Ponar, or deported them to extermination camps or slave labor in Latvia, Estonia, and Germany. In 1942, Kozherginsky joined the Vereinigte Partisanenorganisatie, the United Partisan Organization, which was organized in a Dominican convent. When the Nazis began the total liquidation of the Vilna ghetto in 1943, he escaped with a few hundred partisans to the Naroch woods, where they fought alongside Soviet units, attacking German troops and carrying out acts of sabotage. His song Yid du Partisaner dates from his life as a partisan in the woods.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Myra. Janet, go on.
When the Red Army approached Vilna in 1944, the partisans joined the assault to retake the city. Kozherginsky and Avrom Sutzkever, the acclaimed poet from their days in Young Vilna, and a fellow partisan fought in that battle. When the Germans pulled out, Kozherginsky and Sutzkever began to search amidst the ruins of the city and the ghetto for the books and manuscripts that they had helped to hide, as well as any photos or documents they could find. And with those materials, they founded the Museum of Jewish Art and Culture under the Ministry of Culture in the new Lithuanian SSR, which the Soviets allowed to operate only for a few years. Kozherginsky and Sutzkever smuggled what they could salvage to the YIVO in New York.
Okay, thank you, Janet. Andrew, I saw that you returned. Can you read?
Kozherginsky devoted himself to recording the eyewitness testimony of survivors from Vilna. He then moved on to Lodz, where he worked at the Centralne Żydowskie Komisja Horystenja, the Central Jewish Historical Commission. His 1947 book, Khurban Vilna, The Destruction of Vilna, was the first documentation of the Holocaust, with photos of the ghetto and the killing of the field in Ponar. His song Yid du Partisaner is reproduced in that book. Kozherginsky's wife, brother, and Jacob had been murdered in Vilna. Kozherginsky left Poland in 1947 and remarried. He published a memoir, Partyzana Gayen, Partisans on the Move, and the anthology of the music he had collected from survivors, Lieder von Ghettos und Lagern, songs from the ghettos and camps.
Okay, thank you. So, Aida, can you read it? Can you, please?
Von den Ghettos hat Sios,
Twisse.
Fiese, okay. Wenn die Wälder freie. Anstatt kein of the hands, called because I can read it. I don't understand it, and I can't.
Okay, Maurice.
Sorry.
Okay, Maurice will translate it. Just another line. Okay.
I read another line.
Yes.
Oft gab es, mein Freund, kuscht mir Hals und Ochsel.
Axel. Okay, so Maurice, read it again and translate it.
Today is Chinese to me.
So, von die Ghettos Twisse went on die Wälder frei, from the prison walls of the ghetto and the free forest. Instead of chains on our hands, I'm holding a new rifle. Auf die Aufgabe ist mein Feind, kuscht mir Hals und Achsel. So he's calling his rifle his friend, mein Feind, because of the way he holds it. It kisses his neck and his shoulders.
Okay, Julia, go on.
Mittenbix bin ich von Heint fest Senoif gewachsen. Auf die Aufgabes, mein Freund, kuscht mir Hals und Achsel. Mittenwegs bin ich von Heint, fest sind euch gewachsen. From the ghetto, well, again, it's the same thing that Maurice read. From the ghetto's prison walls and the free forests, instead of the chains of the hands, I held the nigh Bixen. Auf die Aufgabes, mein Freund, kuscht mir Hals und Achsel. On the Aufgabe, I'm not sure, I don't know what that is.
Aufgabes is missions,
Is what?
missions.
Missions. My friend kisses the neck of the Axel.
Axel is
Shoulder,
shoulder.
neck and shoulder.
Kuscht
Neck
mir
and
Hals und
shoulder.
Achsel. Kisses my neck and my shoulder.
With
He's
the
carrying the
rifle,
rifle.
I am today fastly together growing on the Aufgabes, on the mission, mein friend kisses mir the neck and shoulder with the rifle.
Rifle.
I am today fast zu neu gewachsen. I have a question. It doesn't come up here, but I've heard this song before, and I was wondering, and maybe other people did too, why the comparison to the Mohicans, die letzte Mohikaner, and
Why
it
don't-
comes up
why
a
don't we,
couple times.
Why don't we, let's wait till we get to that part of the song, okay?
Okay,
Fine,
but
okay.
right now, do you have
Maurice?
anything, Maurice, do you have anything to add?
Right, so to neu gewachsen means he's growing together with his rifle. Fest doesn't mean fast, it means he's growing tight. Like
Okay.
his rifle and he are like wedded together, they're growing together.
Okay, let's move to
Maurice,
the,
ik heb een vraag
Ja.
voor je. Een Bix is
Rifle.
nicht like a handgun. Like,
No,
it's any
no.
kind of gun.
No, no.
Rifle.
For a handgun, it could be a revolver, it could be a nagan, it
Okay.
could be a pistol. There are other
Pistol.
songs in which they use nagan, pistol.
What's Naganis? Naganis.
Naganis is pistols, guns.
I thought
handguns.
that was
Was
grenade.
Grenades.
I thought grenade was
No.
Naganis.
No,
Came
no.
with Naganis in the hand from the
No.
song.
No, there are others,
Grenade.
we've done other songs from the Holocaust. And nagan is a handgun.
Oh,
I think it's actually a Russian
Yes,
model of a handgun,
it is a Russian model.
right?
it is, okay,
Thank you.
okay. So let's go on. Naomi, can you read, Naomi?
Ja. Okay. Wenig sennen mir in Zoll, dreiste wie Millionen, reißen mir auf Berg und Talbrücken, Echelonen. Ein Minute, just a minute, okay. Der Faschist verzittert wird, weiß nicht wo von wannen, stürben jeden von unter Erd, jeden Partisaner. Der Faschist verzittert wird, weiß nicht wo von wannen, stürmen jeden von unter Erd, jeden Partisaner.
Good, can you translate it, please?
Okay, I'll try. We're few in numbers. 3 out of a million, Afshar?
Dreiste is brave, bold,
Oh,
bold
drei.
like
Oh,
million,
it meant drei, like, okay, bold, okay.
bold.
We reißen is to rip. We rip from the, or we, was meant reißen?
Yeah, so in this context, reißen is to attack.
Uh-huh. Okay, on the hill or the mound, ich weiß nicht, was mein toll, breaking our bridges. Toll, was mein
Tall is a valley, so it's Baal
valley.
and Tall. They
Okay.
attack on the hills, they attack in the valleys,
Und
breaking our bridges. And echelon in our troop trains, military trains.
Okay. Okay, the fascist becomes scared or is trembling or is
Yeah, that's good.
scared. He doesn't know from where the Jews are storming from under the earth.
Good.
Jeden Jews, partisans, like a hyphen there. The fascist, it's a repeat. The fascist becomes, is trembling, becomes scared. He doesn't know from where. The Jews are from under the earth, are storming, or coming from. Jews, partisans.
Good, very good.
Do you have anything to add, Maurice?
No, she got everything.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Naomi.
Kann ich etwas sagen, als mein Baba Zeta seinen gewählt Partisaner?
Ja.
Mein Baba hat angetan wie Poyerte. Sie hat gerät 5, 6 Sprachen, Litwisch, Russisch, Polish, Deutsch. Und mein Name ist gewesen, sie seien gewesen in Erd, in a Wald. Mein Name ist geboren in 1941 und nachdem mit ein Jahr später oder 2 Jahre später, sie seien gewesen in Wald. Das ist von mir, von meinen Familien, sehr, unfortunately, zum Unglück, ich weiß wegen dem, ja. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Naomi. Okay, Svetlana, please.
Wortne Kammer hat a Sinn, wenn mit Blum verschreibst ihm. Vor dem heiligen Beginn führen wir die Streiten. Nein, wir wollen nicht kein Mal sein letzte Mohikanen. Nein, wir wollen nicht kein Mal. Entschuldig. Es verbrennt die Nacht, die Sonnenschein, der Jid, der Partisaner. Nein, wir wollen nicht kein Mal sein letzter Mohikaner. Es brennt die Nacht, die Sonnenschein, der Jid, der Partisaner.
Good.
Become revenge. It became revenge when written by sun with the blood, correct?
Yeah, so the first word is svort, it's das Wort, the word revenge. It's not wert, become, it's svort. Svort ne kumme hat a Sinn, wenn mit Blut verschreibst. And that's it.
So, okay, so translate it, Maurice, tell us.
So, Fadim, so in the second sentence.
No, the first sentence.
Svart Nikoma, the word revenge, hotazin, it has a meaning, wenn mit Blut verschreibsten, when you write it in blood.
Okay, Svetlana, you can go on or Maurice will do it.
Maurice, bitte. Ich kann übersetzen 50-50, aber mehr, aber Maurice tot es besser.
Okay.
Okay.
Beste.
So, vor dem heiligen Beginn führen wir die Streiten. So the word begin is dawn, sunrise. Before the holy sunrise, we begin our attacks, streiten our attacks. Nein, wir wollen nicht keinmal sein letzter Mohikaner. No, we will never be the last of the Mohegans. Es bringt die Nacht, die Sonnenschein, der Jid der Partisaner. The night brings with it the sunshine, the Jewish partisan.
Okay,
And
so
there was a
now can
question
you,
about the Mohicans, you know, it was a book, The Last of the Mohicans. And so Kaczerginski was aware of this, or maybe he even read the book, he knew the phrase. And probably he was thinking, I mean, there was the first commander of the Vereinigte Jüdische Organisation was Itzik Wittenberg, and he was betrayed to the Germans. And the second one was Abba Kovner. And Abba Kovner made a speech, and he didn't use the phrase, the letzte Mohikane. He said, we will not be like sheep to the slaughter. We shouldn't let ourselves be taken like sheep to the slaughter. And that's probably what Kaczerginski was thinking.
okay, and
Okay.
Maurice, you know any of them, or it's just, you know?
Let me see.
Is there Kaczerginski is among them or not?
I don't see him. No.
Okay.
I don't see him.
Okay.
Where did he end up living? In New York?
Kaczerginski, he stayed in Poland till 1947, and then he went to Paris briefly, and I think he went to Israel briefly. I think he eventually settled in Argentina, but I think he was killed in a plane crash.
Yeah,
He was, yes.
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 Okay, so let's just listen to it once again, okay, guys?
And who was singing?
Can I ask a question?
Josh Waletzky, I think.
Okay, Julia, yeah.
I was gonna know, who are there? There are a couple of women in that. Is one of them Wittke Kempner or Witte Kovner, the wife of Abba Kovner?
It's possible. I don't know. There is another song that we've listened to in the Winkel, which was supposed to be inspired by Wittke Kempner. So she could have been. I mean, there were a number of women fighters.
Yes, there are
Yeah.
a number of women there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Song is called Still die Nacht.
right.
Still,
Okay.
yes.
okay, but let's listen to it once again, so please.
Von der Gattest wisse Wind in die Wälder freie, anstatt Keiten auf der Hand, halt der Bixer nahe, auf die Aufgabe ist mein Freund, kuscht mich halt so nach so. Mitten Bix bin ich von Heint, fest so neu gewachsen, auf die Aufgabe ist mein Freund, kuscht mich halt so nach so. Mitten Bix bin ich von Heint, fest so neu gewachsen. Wenig seinen mir in Soll, dreiste wie Millionen, reißen mir auf Berg und Toll, brecken Eschalonen, dem Faschist versittert wird, weiß nicht wovon warnen. stürmen jeden von unter der Erde, jeden Partisaner, dem Faschist verzittert wird, weiß nicht wovon warnen. Stürmen jeden von unter der Erde, jeden Partisaner. Es wird nicht kommen, hat das ihn, wenn mit Blut verschreibst ihm, vor dem heiligen Beginn, führen wir die Streiten. Nein, wir wollen nicht keinmal sein, letzte Mohikaner. Es bringt der Nacht die Sonnenschein, der jeder Partisaner. Nein, wir wollen nicht keinmal sein, letzte Mohikaner. Es bringt der Nacht die Sonnenschein, der jeder Partisaner.
Okay, anyone wants to add, to ask a question, comment? Morty.
Yeah, I just wanted to mention that my feeling is that when he talks about not being the last Mohicans, what he's really saying is we are going to survive, we are going to overcome this.
Yeah.
Right.
There also was a movie made that we showed at the film festival about I don't remember the name, Barbara, maybe you, about the things that they hid. You know, when they hid all these.
At some priests hid stuff buried in the ground.
It was a great movie, but it was depressing. But we showed it at the film festival about the hidden treasures that they.
But they didn't they eventually move that stuff to YIVO in New York?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's the name of the movie? I have to think.
22nd Street.
Okay, anyone else?
So I do have a question with regard to what was just being said. So it was a Dominican monastery that helped the partisans, but could somebody elaborate a little bit more on that? It was a live monastery, right? It wasn't an abandoned monastery.
Yes. Apparently,
It was
Emmanuel
alive.
Ringelblum.
No, it was alive, and they let them meet, I guess, down in the basement or the cells. Of course, they were taking
They
a
put the
tremendous
stuff
risk.
in
If the
milk
Germans
cans.
found them, they would have shot them on the spot.
They put, Emmanuel Ringelblum saw that they put a lot of the stuff in milk cans. I have no idea what a milk can would be, and they buried them. And then afterwards, people tried to get these out of the ground, and some of them I don't think they ever found.
I think Engelblum was in Varsha, in the Warsaw Ghetto.
He was indeed, yes.
Okay.
And what they hid was the writings about the Oneg Shabbat, yes,
The Oneg
about the
Shabbat.
ghetto fighters.
Yeah.
Another item, there's a mention earlier in the song of Lodge, and that made me think of Chava Rosenfarb, who in fact, when they talked about Wittenberg, she in fact wrote a play about Wittenberg that has been performed in various places more recently. In fact, I believe that when we were in Susan's class, I believe we got a copy of this from Chava's daughter, Goldie Morgenthaler.
Okay. Yes, Cookie.
I wanted to say that I looked up Avraham Sutzkever because he's considered the greatest writer and poet of the Holocaust, and by the New York Times. And he is the a composer of the Holocaust song that I sing, Unter deine weiße Städten. And in his bio from the Vilna Ghetto, they said that they hid many of these treasures in the walls and in all kinds of places, so that the Germans wouldn't get them. That was part of the things that they did, part of his life as a partisan. Yeah. Very
Okay, Beverly.
Well, it looks like the movie, it might be called Monuments Men, but I think it's a different movie.
No, that's something else. That's something
Right, it's
else.
that's what came up on the thing.
No, Monument
No,
Man,
it's something else.
it's the group of people that looked for art,
Yeah, right.
like
Oh,
picture
that's right.
paintings that the Germans looted
That's
from,
right.
yeah,
Oh,
so.
no, no.
It's a very
Okay,
good
I'll look
movie.
again for that
Yeah.
movie.
But that's a pretty recent movie, isn't it?
Yes,
So was the
Yeah.
one I'm talking about.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Dave?
I believe the Czechoslovakians supplied the partisans with their Bixen, with their guns and rifles. Does anyone know that for a fact?
No.
No, but I would doubt it was Czechoslovakians because Czechoslovakia was invaded by the Germans, by the Nazis. And as far as I know, most of the partisaner guns and so on were taken from Germans that they killed.
Okay.
Wasn't it the Czechs that drove the Jews into the Ponar forest, and then they were shot on the edge of those circular things?
I know, but that was Vilna.
Yeah, nothing to do with Czech.
No,
It was Vilna. But
Yeah.
What people in
Maybe
Vilna drove the local Jews, they rounded them up and they took them to Ponar.
Yeah,
and they-
that's what
there
I'm
were
thinking.
mass graves in Ponar outside of Vilna.
like the Ukrainians did in
Yeah.
Babi Yar.
Maybe we can talk a bit more about it when there is the Holocaust Day at the end of April, okay?
idea.
Yeah, so maybe Maurice will give us another partisan song or something towards the end of April when it's the Holocaust. Okay, so now let's move on to reading. Okay, so this time I chose a children book. We were talking a few weeks ago about the book Annie on the Page. And so I went to the book and just, selected something out of it. So we will have an example of a children's book. So I sent you it in Yiddish, in English, and I sent you also something about the writer, Moshe Shifris. So if you are curious about him, just read what I've sent you. Okay, Susan, let's start reading.
wil zeggen, dus is Agora Shane Meise. Sehr lieb gehabt. Aleph base is Broigis. The alphabet is angry. Die Mama hat eingedeckt Michel und gesucht. The mother tucked Michel in to bed and she said, Vermach die Augen, Michel, und schlaf ein. Close your eyes and go to sleep. Morgen darfst du gehen in Schule rein. Tomorrow you have to go to school. A gute Nacht, Dingele, schlaf gesund und chulem süße Geläumes. Good night, my boy, and sleep well and dream sweet dreams. Die Mama hat ihm a Kuss getun in Stern. The mother gave him a kiss on his forehead. Ausgedreht die Elektria, turned off the light, und still vermacht die Tür hinter sich and quietly closed the door after herself. Michele ist gelegen mit offenen Augen in der Finster und getracht wegen dem Sommer, was ist weg. Michele lay there with open eyes and thought about the summer which has gone by. Wie gut hat verbracht in die Berg, how well he enjoyed himself in the mountains, maybe the Catskills, I don't know. Hat sich gesehen, wiegen dick auf a Schiffel auf dem Teich. He saw himself in a boat on the lake. Und ort hat sich gesehen, spazierendig in Wald mit seinen Chaverim. And then he also saw himself walking in the woods with his friends. Die Augen haben sich ihm schon genommen kleppen. His eyes started to close. Ort wird schon einschlafen. He's about to soon to fall asleep.
Just a moment, Susan. Yes, Rafael.
Yeah, I just wanted to point out that the word teich, which was translated there as lake, it does mean lake in Northern Yiddish. It means river everywhere else.
Okay.
Where this
so what?
comes from. But if he's speaking in Northern Yiddish, it's lake.
Well, as I've seen it in literature, it's a body of water, and sometimes it's a river and sometimes it's a lake, depending on what you're reading.
Yeah, well, it depends on where the author comes from.
Yeah, oh, okay.
Okay.
What's the difference between Northern Yiddish and Southern Yiddish? I never heard that expression.
Well, Northern Yiddish is the Yiddish that was spoken in Lithuania, Belarus. Southern Yiddish is Galicia and points south.
Oh.
Many different accents of Yiddish, but those are, and the middle one is Polish Yiddish.
But Northern.
Okay, go on, Susan.
Mit der Mul hat von a Winkel von Zimmer gegeben a Schwimmereus a Schul. All of a sudden, from the corner of the room, out swam a school. Die Bänklach mit dem Tovel haben getanzt in a Rod. The seats, the chairs, the children's chairs with the blackboard danced around in a circle. Auf die Bänklach haben sich gewiegt die Kinder on the seats, the children were swinging. Mit Bichlach in the hand, with books in their hand. Der Lehrer steht inmitten und führt dem Chor. The teacher stays in the middle and he leads the choir. Und alle Kinder singen, and all the kids sing. Genug schon Pfeffer schlafen. Enough, you sleepyhead. Enough with your sleeping. Die Schule ist doch schon offen. The school is now open. Gib a hap das Bichel, grab your book. Komm in Schul schon Michel. And Michel, come on in school. And it all rhymes nicely. Schlafen.
Okay. And Bichel.
Come
Yes,
on. I thought Shula was school and Shul was the synagogue.
Can be
both.
Yeah, they use the word shul all the time.
Yeah, can be both, no problem.
Can be both.
Okay, okay, Morty, yes.
It's a place of learning.
Morty?
I found interesting his use when he's talking about the river of the word Vigendik, which also reminds us how a mother cradles and rocks a baby to sleep.
Mm-hmm. Vigendik, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, good. Marna?
Was meint Pfeffer? A pfeffer.
Sleepyhead.
Sleepyhead, pfeffer?
Yes. Marna, yes.
That was my question.
Okay, sleepyhead. Pfeffer
Yes.
is sleepyhead.
Because the word puffen means to sleep, and like the breathing you would do. Puffed.
A Schläferdicker.
Yeah, and pfeffer is somebody who falls asleep easier.
Okay. Brenda, would you like to read?
Yes. Und da der Mond sich Michel, als ganzen Sommer hat nicht angeguckt, kein Yiddish Bichel. And Michel remembers that all summer long he did not open a Yiddish book. Der Lehrer hat ihm angesagt, als soll lernen das jiddische Bichel. Wird nicht vergessen, was hat gelernt und können gehen in a Hecheren class.
Okay,
So,
translate because it's a long sentence.
yes. So the teacher reminded him that he should open the Yiddish book so that he would go, wouldn't forget and would go into a higher class.
Yes.
Aber Michel hat keinmal nicht gefunden, kein Zeit für den jiddische Bücher. But Michel couldn't find any time for the Yiddish book. Wer weiß, sie kann noch lernen a Yiddish Wort. So, who knows when
Whether.
If
he can learn a Yiddish word.
not learn.
If he can read.
If he can read.
Das ist, yeah, unschuldig, read.
Okay, another sentence.
Michael hat gemacht, lichtig, ein Zimmer. So he turned on the light, put it light in the room. Is still up von Bett und genommen das jiddische Bücher. So he quietly still got down from the bed and took the Yiddish book. Was die Mama hat eingegräbt, für ihm mitzunehmen, morgen in Schule rein. So his mother got ready the book that he would take tomorrow to go to school.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Judy, can you read?
I'll try.
Okay.
Zurück rein in bed.
I'm just saying.
Oh, sorry.
The
It's
read
just-
aloud.
Yes.
Is there a problem?
No, it just, I touched the screen by mistake.
Okay, is zurück rein in bed. He went back into bed, I believe.
Yes.
Und geöffnet das Bücher. He opened the book. Sie kann noch lernen a Yiddish Wort, to see if he could read a Jewish word.
Where are we?
We're on that next paragraph.
Yeah, go on.
Will unheben lernen. He wants to begin reading. Aber es geht nicht, but it's not coming. Die Oisias
springen
heraus von die Blätter. And so the letters are moving around from the page.
They're jumping out of the page.
Und excuse me. Redelijk und
Paskelech
drehen sich für seine eigen. So they're moving around. I'm not sure 100%, like they're moving around in his eyes.
Yeah, so the Redelech, the rounds, and Paskelech is what? Psik?
Vermacht die Augen. He closed his eyes.
Reibt sie.
Öffnen sie zurück auf, aber die Oisias seien nicht auf die Blätter.
Okay, so translate it. So he's rubbing his eyes. Öffnen sie zurück auf, and he opens them again.
But the letters, they're not are not on the page. They Eugen, no. Jürgen sich arum. They're moving around.
They are running after each other, yeah.
Okay. The Fliegelech.
Fliegelech.
Fireflies.
Fireflies.
Okay. und in der Finsternis,
Mhm.
in the
In the darkness.
okay. Tanzen Aruf, when they're dancing around and up and down.
Mhm.
Hin und her, here and there. Und Michal, weiß nicht, wer is there. He doesn't know what is what.
Yeah, what is what? Rafael, yes?
The word paskalech, most likely stripes, pasaner stripes. So redalech and paskalech would be the circles and stripes. But it's a kind of unusual word. There is the word paskavata, meaning striped. So that's my guess.
Okay, it's not the punctuation marks?
I thought it was.
I think so, although perhaps it is, but I don't see how it could derive that meaning.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, Rochale, go. Unmute yourself first. Rochale, unmute yourself. We don't hear a word.
I just wanted to throw in something fast here. How do you say in Yiddish, a chicken and a rabbit?
A hin and a hare.
A hin and a hare, okay. Okay. Okay, nice.
That's
Okay,
the-
Rochale.
What do you get when you crossbreed a chicken and a rabbit?
No.
Nishkin and
Oh, nita'er. Okay. Okay, Rochale.
אז מרצ'נה בסחזר דרמט, חמול geschickt a Liederle in Yiddish, darf das treffen, wegen a Feierfliegele. So, darf das treffen. Der Feierfliegele? Okay, Ort stellt sich weg a Shin. Here stands away. Sich stellt sich weg.
Stands up.
Stands
I think
up?
stands up.
Okay, a shin, una vov, una tes, una hey. They stehen gleich wie Soldaten. They're standing straight like soldiers. Und Ort stellt sich eins neben zweiten Base, una lange Nun. And here stands up one next to the other, a second, one next to the other, a beth, and a final noon, un od go a pei, una yod, una kof, una hey, una an aleph, una lamed, una lange tzadik. So lange tzadik, it's also like a final tzadi.
Okay, but if you didn't notice, it makes a word. Read it, you will see that it makes a word.
A shoite.
Shoite.
It's a fool.
Yeah, ben.
Ben, shoite ben.
Oh.
You see? Shoite ben pickles. It's a shoite ben pickles.
Shoite ben pickle.
A payac. A leitz is a payac.
A leitz is a payac, but shoite ben pickles is a shoite. A fool.
Oh, yeah, a fool. I said that. Yeah, a fool. A nourisher.
Yeah.
So what is a pickle?
Okay, one by one. What?
What's a pickle?
What is a pickle?
What is a pickles? I don't know what is a pickles.
Woodpecker.
So
Sorry?
Ben pickle.
A woodpecker.
A woodpecker. Okay. Okay. But it's a saying. Shote ben pickles is a saying.
A shaita is a fool?
Yes.
Yes.
I have so many words for fool in Yiddish. I never heard the word shaita for fool.
Probably there are lots of fools in Yiddish.
Yeah, a lot of words for fool in Yiddish.
Okay,
That's
go on,
That's why
Rochale.
Helm exists.
Yeah. Rochale.
Micho guckt auf sie mit groß Wunder, aber hebt nicht an zu wissen, was sie wollen. Michal looks at them with big wonder, but he cannot begin to know what do they want.
Okay, thank you, Rochale. Rafael?
Geht der Sprung heraus die Shin mit die drei Keppelach. The shin with its three heads springs up. Und tanzt zu, gleich zu sein Nose. And it dances up right up to his nose. Und jedes Keppel geht ihm schnell. And every one of those three heads gives him a flick in the nose. Drei Keppelach, drei schnell. Three little heads, three flicks. And sagt mit der Beser and says with anger, Scheute ben pickles. You absolute fool. Was wunderst du sich also? What are you wondering such? So, was du kennst uns nicht trappen, that you cannot grab us. Und du weißt nicht was, and you don't know what it is. Und du weißt nicht wenn, was and when, these go together. Du weißt nicht was, du weißt nicht wenn. You have no idea. Und du weißt nicht wer, and you don't know who. Leckish bear, another form of abuse here. Now bear is a bear, and leckish is simpleton. So you simpleton bear. Tanz share, it's a rhymed insult. Dance a scissors dance. So leckish bear, tanz share. Was hast du gemeint? What did you think? A ganzen Sommer hast du nicht gewollt. I feel a cook time all summer. You didn't even want even to look auf uns, at us. Und mit amol willst du schon werden mit unser ganze Schmelke? And suddenly you want to become an entire Schmelke with uns. Now, how are you going to translate that?
Schmelke is.
Schmelke is Samuel, but
No, it's like a friend, a ganze Schmelke.
It's a best friend. Yes, it's a best friend. And there's a saying, if I got on the dictionary, it's Schmelke. Schmelke is somebody as thick as thieves. So they're kind of bad guys.
Okay.
I wonder if it comes from Samuel, but Shmuel like Schmelke, or maybe it's completely unrelated. I don't know.
Okay, go on, Rafael.
Da hat die Kuf gegeben a Tantra. And now the Kuf danced up auf Michlin at Michael. Und mit einem spitzigen Steckel and with its pointed stick, that's the bottom of the Kuf, im genommen Torken, began to poke him in die Seiten, in his sides. Kein einmal a fila mit an effen getan das Bichel. You didn't even once open the book. Man soll chappen a bissel frische Luft. That it could, let's see, unclear here, that you could only get a little bit of fresh air, or maybe that the book should get a little fresh air.
The letters should get a little fresh air. Icy is.
Likely, yeah. Although, yeah, it's interesting.
Literally.
Yeah. Okay, finish the page.
Und die Dalet hat genommen springen für Michael's Augen. The Dalet began to jump up in front of Michael's eyes. Und gedreht das Keppel auf rechts und auf links. And it shook its head right and left.
Okay, thank you, Rafael. Yes, Marty?
Yes, I wanted to mention something regarding the saying there where he says Lekesh bear tanza share. It's interesting because in Eastern Europe, and I think especially in Romania, they had these bears. People would train these bears to dance and go around the streets collecting money and showing how the bears danced. And so I think he is thinking of that when he writes Lekesh bear, stupid bear, do a dance. And with Sherry just rhymes. But I think the origin of that section, the dancing bears in the towns in Romania.
Okay, thank you, Morty. I see the two other people raised. Okay, Golda?
Als mein Familie sind gegangen zur Chasne zu etwas, mein Vater hat ständig mir gesagt, komm, wir wollen tanzen a share. A share is like a folk dance with 4 couples.
Okay, nice.
Exactly.
Okay, Beverly, go on, read.
Du Azelche und Azelche, du hast dich gelost, weil gehen in die Berg und mir. You, a wonder and a wonder, I think. You let yourself get lost in the mountains, and us, the Dina. What does the Dina mean?
Thin, the thin.
Thin.
Oh, Dina, oh yeah. Die Dina lange nun hat sich mehr nicht gekannt einhalten von Greis Zorn und gleich aufgesprungen mit dem Spitz auf, long sentences again.
Yeah, okay, so translate it.
Wait. The thin, long nun, the end of nun, in other words.
Yes.
They couldn't, that letter couldn't hold in anymore from big troubles.
Anger.
Right? Anger. On right away, they jumped with his spitz, with his end. Point. Thanks. Auf Michael's boyach, on Michael's belly. Und gewiegt das kleine Keppel arauf und arauf. And he how do you translate wegen?
Rock.
He rocked the little head, the little Keppel, are up and down on mit verglaste Augen genommen der Langen. And with what is verglast?
The Langen.
What is verglast?
I think a nun is missing, should be verglanzte, brilliant, shiny eyes.
Verglanzte, shiny eyes. He started saying.
Starry eyes. I looked at it.
Yeah.
The English translation says glued.
Glued?
His eyes glued to the heavens.
No, starry eyes sounds right.
Yeah.
Okay, Rafael, you wanted to add something?
Yeah, 2 things. First, that top line, Azelcha and Azelcha, it's, I think, a slight misprint. It's one word, Azelcha. And the second one, Azelcha, you such and such.
Oh.
So that, and it is verglotze, it's not a misprint. Glotzen is to stare. Mit verglotzte Augen, with staring, not starry. Mit staring
eyes.
Staring eyes.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Anybody, you want someone else?
No, you read the
Bist gelaufen in die Grasse. You ran in the grass. Gejuckt sich nach Hausen. Hausen. I don't know what that means.
Hairs.
You looked for hair?
Yes, you ran after.
Sorry.
Rabbits.
Zweigen gebrochen. I don't know. And I'm sorry about that. Facts. Apple gerissen. Apple was torn. Fleimen gebissen. You ate plums.
You bit into plums, yes.
Yeah. Sich geschiffelt. Oh, I don't know.
Geschiffelt from a ship.
Oh, from a ship. You came from a ship.
No. You
went on ships.
Yeah, you went on ships.
Went on boats.
You went on ships. In gebaden ganze Tage. You took baths all day, a lot of days. On a fellow, a Yiddish Briefel, and even a Jewish letter, nicht geschrieben von weg. And you didn't even write us from your trip, a Yiddish letter. On its skutzel, Susan always said. And
yeah,
that was Susan's. It means when you're late.
And now you remember, yeah.
Skutzelkip. Is da. He is here.
Just a moment, let her finish.
1 minute.
Hi, how's your party so far?
What?
Uh-oh.
Good.
Und
I
am
think she's on the
Mazel,
phone.
Look,
Neely,
only
mute
one
yourself.
piece is left for me, right?
Neely, mute yourself.
or maybe she's talking to
You
somebody
can
else.
eat it.
No,
Okay, in a Mazel Tov.
Wow,
in a
look at
Mazel
this,
Tov week.
beautiful.
Time,
I like the
time.
Okay,
socks.
just,
Okay,
okay.
mute everyone.
No,
Yeah,
no, I
she's
muted
muted.
Neely.
Okay, that's it. And
Okay.
give him a Brighton Baruch haba, and give him a wide blessing.
A warm welcome.
Welcome.
Warm welcome.
A
Okay.
warm welcome.
Wow.
Thank you. Marsha, can you read?
Show me where.
Ein Sekunde, entschuldige.
Yes, Rochale.
Oh, is it here?
Yes. Was meint es, wenn man sagt, als Kotzel kommt? Was meint es?
Oh,
Susan.
Susan to tell you.
Susan, say, what is Kotzelkum?
She said it all the time.
I used to say, look who's here. Look who the cat dragged in.
Right, Skutzelkum, right.
When the last
When you call somebody a
look who finally made it. That's how it's translated.
Ah, okay.
Someone that's never on time.
Skutzel.
No, look who showed up. Look who showed up.
Und die Aleph hat
Just a moment. Rafael, you wanted to say something?
The time in class when people came late. Oh, Skutzelkum. Look who's here finally.
I have a derivation of Skotzel kommt. I thought it meant das Ketzel kommt, the cat comes, but someone corrected me. It's actually from older German, sei Gott willkommen. May God come, something like that. So it's a fixed expression now from ancient sources.
Okay. Okay, good.
I thought it was from a story, Susan.
It is from a story.
Kotzel,
It
I'm
comes,
trying to understand, it's hard to hear like that. Can Rafael repeat it? So the word Kotzel.
Rafael, repeat the explanation, please.
Let me ask the question, is Kotzel meaning God in Old German?
No, it's sei Gott willkommen. And it might be there might be a story trying to give a folk etymology of this expression. But most likely it actually comes from an old German expression.
Okay, here Svetlana also wrote.
can I
in the
say
chat.
something here?
Yes.
I believe the story originally was collected by the, I guess, folklorist S. Ansky. And what I was told in that story was there was a bunch of women and they wanted to reach up to the sky so that they could talk to God. And the person who was on the top of this heap of women was Skotzel. And unfortunately, there was only one person that got all the way to the top, and she was going to be the person to talk to God. And unfortunately, somebody on the first layer made a mistake and said something that made everybody else fall in a heap. So as I understood it, the story was nobody got as far as God. And as Susan said, but whenever there is somebody late, there's always the hope that maybe that person is going to be Skotzel and it'll be different.
Nice story. Thank you. Very nice story. Okay, Marsha, go on. Und die Aleph.
Und die Aleph hat sich zerweisert mit beide Keppelach und gepintelt mit die Augen und getanzt a roof und a rup.
Okay, so translated.
I'm not good at translating. Someone else could translate.
Okay, Morty, can you translate?
In the Aleph hat sich zerbeizert mit beide Kepler. And the Aleph got angry with both heads. In gepintelt mit die Augen and turned with the eyes und getanzt arauf in Arup and danced up and down.
Okay, Marshall, read a little
Und
bit
sie
more.
sind mir, und sie ist ihm noch hintisch,
Achidish.
Achidisch, was kann nicht lernen, kein Wort Jiddisch.
Okay, Morty.
Und sie ist ihm noch Achidisch, and it's even still strange or new to him. Wo kann nicht lernen kein Wort Yiddish, that he cannot read one word in Yiddish.
Okay, Morty,
Like,
go on, you
it's
read
no
now.
surprise.
Yes,
It's not surprising.
Mhm.
In der Lamed hat genommen herumspannen ahin und zurück
Not now, wait, please wait.
auf Michels
You can go in
Stern,
there if you wanted.
and the Lamed started walking there, here and there, auf Michels Stern, on Michels
Forehead.
forehead, sorry. Und mit einem hohen Giraffe-Keppel, and with a high giraffe head, geschockelt wie mit a Finger von Michels Nuss, moved it like a finger in front of Michael's nose. As men legt nicht da rein, nimmt man nicht da raus.
Someone's on the phone.
Yeah, someone on the phone.
It's Julia. Julia has someone in her room.
Okay, so Julia, so I'll mute her. Okay, okay, I muted her. Okay, sorry about it. Yeah.
And as men legt nicht rein, nimmt man nicht raus. If you don't put anything into something, you don't get anything out of it. Und as men guckt nicht in Bichel, and if you don't look into the book, lernt man sich nicht aus. You don't learn anything. Michel ist gelegen zetummelter in nicht gewusst, zetin. Michael laid there zetummelt. I forgot the translation. Confused and did not know what to do. Hat sich genommen verentfernt. He started talking to himself.
Explaining.
No, explaining himself.
Explaining himself.
Okay,
Wie
go
ob
on.
ich gekannt reingucken in Bichel und nehmen ein jüdisch Wort in Moller rein? How could I take a look into the book and take in a word in my mouth, meaning learn a word, als ich hab dus Bichel afil nicht mitgenommen mit sich, if I didn't even take the book with me? Du ist die Beis geworden Beis in a Reus von der Chele. Here the bet got very angry and got out of her head. Gegeben a Spring zu Michelin, gave a jumped up to Michel, in mit beide Händler ihm umgehabt beim Euer, and with both hands grabbed him by the ears.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rachel. Yeah.
I'll pass today. I mean, I don't feel good. I just want
Okay,
to
sorry.
listen.
I'm sorry,
Okay.
sorry about it.
I'm
Okay.
sorry too.
Golda?
Und für was hast du Tage nicht mitgenommen, das Bichel? And why exactly didn't you take the book with you? Tachshitanga. Fool that you are, huh?
Tachshit is not
Tachshit is jewel. Tachshit is jewel.
Yeah, you jewel, but it's ironic here.
Yes, it's not meant in a clever way.
Tachshit is Shovav.
It means, yeah, it means a naughty boy.
Right. Solche Summe darf man schon in ein jüdisch Buch nicht da reingucken? What? You don't have to look in a Yiddish book in the summertime? Hast du öfter nicht lieb kein schöne Meises? Sag, don't you love to read nice, beautiful stories? Tell me. Am Vater hab ich lieb schöne Meises. Of course I love beautiful, nice stories. Shuckled Michel mit dem Kopf auf ja. And Michel is shaking his head, yes. Ich hab Tage mitgenommen etliche englische Bücher mit schöne Meises. I actually did take several English books with nice stories. Ich soll kennen lernen in a regendicken Tag so that I'll be able to read them on a rainy day. Sehr schön von dein Seite. Very nice on your part. Sagt die base sehr base. Said the is that the bed?
Yes, yes, the bed.
Yeah, angrily. Aber für was nur Englische? But why only English? Wenig Meises seien da auf Yiddish? What? Aren't there nice,
Enough.
are there few stories in Yiddish? Oh, als der Lehrer hat erzählt, Meises Schul, hast du lieb gehabt zu hören? When the teacher told you stories in school, didn't you love to hear them? Macht Michel, ich hab stark genug gehabt von dem Lehrers Meises. I had a lot of pleasure from the teacher's stories. Macht die lange Nun. Azoi? Really? The long Nun said, really? Und allein bist du klein to get allein, and you yourself are too small to read a Maisa in Yiddish, this to file a story in Yiddish. Are you lazy to öffnen das smile, to open your mouth, leinen file, and read well a Maisa in Yiddish, a story in Yiddish?
Okay, thank you, Golda.
Can I say something?
Sure.
Moshe Shifris is the author. And when I was 7 years old, he was my teacher in Shul. In Shul Aleph. The best beginner's teacher. It's from him that I loved Yiddish. And when the shul had to close, because there were only 11 students and they couldn't pay the rent and pay the teacher, I told my mother that I had to continue, and there weren't any, and we were leftists. There wasn't any other internationale Arbeit Oldenschule, so I went to a Shalom, not a Shalom Aleichem, but an Arbeitering Shul. And ich hab ihn gerufen, Chava Yukovich, and he said, ich bin nicht dein Chava, ich bin dein Lehrer. So I hab gesagt zu my Mama, ist nicht so freundlich wie Moshe Shifris.
Where was the school? Where did you live?
In the Bronx.
In the Bronx. Okay.
And
Like Maisha.
in the Bronx, that was really not a Jewish neighborhood. Wir haben sich übergedeckt, geht's anders.
Okay, Golda, lekuved, Moshe Shifris, sein dein Lehrer, lein noch ein bisschen.
Okay, und da geht die Gimmel a Klapp mit dem Absassel von Stiefel. And with that, the Gimmel gives a bang with his foot, with his boot, Absassel. I don't know. With the heel of his boot. Oh, the shingle. What a foolish boy with a lazy single with a loose tongue. Nita kein Seichel, no brains in dein Michael in your head. Nita Sefem said, there's no one to talk to. Lass mich sich besser zu scheiden. Let's better separate. A ganzen Summe is given a Bichel on a Michel. The entire summer there was a book without you. And so it's sein a Michel on a Bichel. And so now there will be a Michel without a book.
Okay, thank you. Barbara, go on.
Oh, okay, I'll try. Und alle Oisies von Aleph bis Tos haben gerät und beschlossen, also so soll es bleiben. So, and all the letters from Aleph to Sof spoke and decided that it should occur or should stand. Say, Robin, mit Michelin, mehr nicht zu tun. They're not going to have anything to do with anymore with Michel. Und fremder is sei, and he is estranged from them. Und das Michel hat sich heimgetun in der Luft und genommen wegfliehen und alle Oisies nach dem. And the book made a move into the air and took all of the letters, flying letters with it. And hat Michel der field is it Harbkeit?
Harbigkeit.
In der Nose, wie wollte geben, Schlung, Rup mit Mol, ganzen, that this, so somebody's going to have to translate that because that's a lot for me. Ganzen, a leffel,
Crane.
Okay, crane, yeah.
Okay,
so I'm gonna, yeah.
So Michael started, he felt a Harbigkeit, it's like what?
Pain?
No.
A fullness? No.
Tingling. Tingling.
A tingling.
Just tingling.
A tingling in her nose, like he swallowed with one, like
one gulp.
Oh, at one time.
One time a full spoon of rain.
Rain, horseradish.
Yeah.
Rain.
Wie sich hat passiert mit ihm vor Jahren Pesach beim ersten Seder. Like it did occur with him one time at a Seder. Und die Tränen seien ihm gekommen in die Augen und hat sich genommen betten. And tears came into his eyes and he began to plead.
Okay, guys, it's time to finish, but we have something like half a page to finish. So
yeah, so you finish.
You want to continue?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so Maurice, can you continue?
It's sehr Takje as ihr seid gerecht. Now I see that you're right. As ich bin an eure begangen, that I'm just a cause.
Avla.
Yeah.
An Avla.
Okay.
Varan and Bichel azelche shene meises. There are so many beautiful stories in the book. Und poemes und Gesangen, and poems and songs. Ich bitte euch, lasst mich nicht allein. I beg of you, don't leave me alone. Mehr wird as a Sach nicht geschehen. Such a thing will not happen again. As the Oisies hoping the sehen Tränen in Michels Augen, when the letters saw the tears in his eyes, hat sie verklemmt beim Herzen und sie sennen zurück herein in Buch, und das Buch ist zurück hereingeflogen in Michels Hand, und mit einmal hat Michel der Field a Hand auf den Achsel und hat der Herd der Mamas Stimme.
So can you translate it, Maurice?
Yeah, so when they saw the tears in his eyes and they verklemmt beim Herzen, he held them close to his heart.
No, they
No.
felt they
The-
felt sad. They felt sad.
Yes.
Oh, they went back into the book, and the book flew back and into Michel's hands. Mit der Moor hat Michel der felt, and then he suddenly felt a hand on his shoulder, and he heard his mother's voice.
Okay. Morty, can we wait till we finish it for you? What
Yes,
you want
yes,
to say?
yes.
Okay. Michele, schon Zeit aufzustehen und gehen in Schule rein. Michel, it's time to wake up and go to school. Michel hat gegeben a Sprung heraus vom Bett. Michel sprang out of the bed. Ausgerieben die Augen, he rubbed his eyes, sich gut herumgeguckt, he looked around und freudiger schnell gelaufen sich waschen. And quickly he went to wash himself. Schnell sich angetan, he dressed quickly, abgetan das Büchel, he got the book, mit Liebe es zugedrückt zu sich, he put it to himself.
Lovingly.
Ja, und sich gelassen laufen in Schule rein, and he ran to school. Die Mama hat ihm noch geschrieben. The mother shouted after him, Michele, hast vergessen zu essen. You forgot to eat. Ich will schon später essen. I will eat later. Hat Michel geantwortet laufendig. He answered while running. Und pfeifen beugen, like Chetz Mikeshet, like the arrow from
Bow and arrow.
Yeah, is Michel in Schul geflogen. Michel ran he flew to school.
That's
Okay.
great.
Nice.
Beautiful story.
Marty.
Lovely
Yeah,
story.
I just wanted to say that the
Lovely
word
story.
Harpkeit that we read up means bitterness, a bitter feeling, like rain.
Okay.
thank
Okay.
you.
He added in his, okay, yes. Okay, so that's the.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
I wanna
I
say
have
one
other
thing.
stories. I have other stories by the same person, but we will do it later.
Find some. They're wonderful. This was
Beautiful.
Wonderful stories.
Yeah,
could just,
I have some. Here is the next one, but not after the Seder.
All right.
Yeah.
I just want to say the word verklempt became very famous when it was once used, I think, on Saturday Night Live or by one.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so then
I'm
everybody was saying verklempt.
I'm so verklempt.
Yeah, right. It's a great word.
Okay, Henrietta, you wanted to say something?
Ich will sagen, I enjoyed this very much because I